We are now crystallizing the idea of a one-of-a-kind rainforest safari development. You know, all over the world, you go to the US, they have Disney World. You go to, I think, Singapore, they have the night safari. You go to the Middle East, they have the day safari. What we want to create, we already have some of the giants of the world here. We want to look at 500 acres of land in this natural environment along the Linden Soesdyke Highway and to create a one-of-a-kind rainforest safari. It will be the first in this region, and that will create demand by itself. I'm saying this to you to let you understand this is no guesswork. This is strategic thinking and strategic planning, all outside of the realm of oil and gas.